Today we're gonna make a sketch of Nobita and color it. That's gonna be so much fun! Shall we begin? Alright! Here we go! And start drawing the outline with a black sketch color. That's right! The eyeglasses, the eyeballs, the nose, the glass frame, and the mouth. The inside of the ear, the collar. Here's the sketch. Now we're gonna color it. We take the skin color for the face. Let's start coloring the face, starting with the outline first. Let's start painting with the edge of the brush, like this, alongside the edges. Be careful in the narrow areas. Make sure the color doesn't smudge over the outline. Now fill the color nice and easy. Let's paint around the eyes. Nice and easy. Make sure the color doesn't go into the eye, because definitely eye is white color. Let's do it for the rest of the face. The ears. You can use the thinner side of the brush for the ears. So we need to fill in the skin color on the neck of Nobita as well. We're done with the face. Now we're gonna color Nobita's mouth. We've mixed the pink and orange color to make Nobita's mouth. For the remaining area of Nobita's mouth, we're gonna add the color red and a tad of dark blue color. So let's do it. So we're gonna fill the color, red and blue mixed here, in the rest part of the mouth. It's a very nice and bright color. For the hair, we're gonna use the color brown. And a slight tint of the dark blue, so the brown becomes the dark brown. So we've taken a broad brush for this, because this is a bigger area to paint. So we're gonna mix brown and a touch of dark blue. Nobita has dark brown shade of color. That's what we're gonna paint his hair with. Nice and easy, gentle strokes. The rest of the hair. Fill in the gaps. So now, let's darken the outline. And also the eyeballs. Let's do it with black sketch color. We're not touching the hair yet because it's still wet, so we'll start with the eyeballs and the nose. Darken it like this. And the eyebrows. the rims of the glasses, the other one, the ear, the forehead, outline of the face, the other ear, the inside of the ear, and the frame of the glass, and the outline of the mouth, nice and clean. Now the collar, and the hair. You can outline the hair now. All of it. Our Nobita is ready! Yay! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.